So Penguin Awareness Day happens once a year on the 20th of January, and it's just to keep everybody informed and make people aware of the threats to penguins and their habitats and what we can do to help them. So it depends on the species, but the species we house here are Gentoo penguins. They're found in the Antarctic Peninsula. So they're typically under threat by things like global warming and overfishing and things that can affect their habitat and their food sources. We're quite lucky with our species of penguins. So generally penguins, most species are classed as endangered, but ours are classed as least concerned, which is great news. But some species, such as the emperor penguin, are under threat, and the largest penguin colony in the world has decreased by 88%. So it is all very dependent on the species, but we're very lucky here that ours aren't at threat as much as others. They can be, because it is much harder to partake in conservation with them, especially with global warming and things like that. So we need to do our best to stop global warming as best as we can, with the usual methods such as not working with overfishing, making sure everything is sourced sustainably, and just doing our best to help climate change, really.